push it.
Mama, but you too hard to go. I'll buy you more big packets of keep going.
Watch 3 packs of going now.
Yes. There's that left one, Debbie, over there. Look, you're putting the other one, your left one.
Go up, touch the top, Savvy. You're almost there. Go. Everybody's waiting for you to go. Put your foot up. You got it, Savvy. All right. Hey, come on down. Yay, Savvy!
How do you know which one's going to be the big wave?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I really want to start surfing.
Now with this foot, push up. Put the other foot there like that. You don't use your feet. Use your feet.
Alright, there you go. Push up with your legs.
Up, push them. Up. With this foot. There we go, right there.
Right. Yeah. Go, Zach. Pull yourself up. Yeah.
Baby.
You got it, Zach. Don't slip. Keep going. Use your feet. Push yourself up.
Good job, Jackie.
Spider-Man.
Arms too much.
Yeah. You're almost there, Zach.
Keep going, Boo.
Stay right there.
Zach, don't stop. Baby, don't let go.
Don't let go. You're almost there. No, Zach. Oh.
It's okay.
Did you get tired?
Good job, Zach. Good job.
You did a good job.
Yeah, all by yourself too.
I know you're trying to videotape me.
What are you doing?
Trying to get my spinner out.
Are you getting it?
No. It's just not working.
Does it hurt?
Yes, it hurts. It hurts like crap.
and Saturday. Bring it here, Zach. Let me see your muscles.
Hey, what is it? It's a what? So we can take it to the shower?
Excuse me.
A steam sponge. Where's my
Wait a second.